Have you ever noticed that when you share your WordPress post on Facebook, the thumbnail image just doesn't look right? Maybe it's the wrong image, a broken link, or even no image at all. If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through how to fix the Facebook incorrect thumbnail issue on your WordPress website and get those thumbnails displaying perfectly every time you share your content. Let's dive in and start by understanding why this issue happens in the first place. Facebook uses open graph tags to pull content from your website, including the image, when you share a post. If these tags are not correctly set up, or if Facebook's cache is outdated, the wrong image might appear, or sometimes no image at all. The first step to fixing this problem is to install an SEO plugin that will help you control what Facebook sees. A popular choice for this is the Yoast SEO plugin, but there are others out there too, like Rank Math or All-in-One SEO. Let's use Yoast SEO for this tutorial. To install Yoast SEO, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO and click Install Now. Once it's installed, activate the plugin. Now that the plugin is active, let's set it up to make sure Facebook pulls the correct thumbnail. Head over to the SEO menu on the left sidebar, then click Social. This section allows you to configure the way your content looks when shared on social platforms like Facebook. Inside the social settings, click the Facebook tab. Here, ensure that the Add Open Graph Metadata option is enabled. This will allow Yoast to automatically insert the necessary Open Graph tags into your site's code. Next, let's ensure that the correct image is attached to your posts. Go to any WordPress post or page, scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box, and click the Social tab. Here, you'll find options to edit the title, description, and image specifically for Facebook. You can upload a new image or select an existing one from your media library. Make sure you choose a high-quality image, as Facebook recommends dimensions of 1200 by 630 pixels for optimal display. Once everything is set up, it's time to refresh Facebook's cache. Facebook stores an image cache to avoid reloading images every time a link is shared. This means that even if you make changes to your post, Facebook might still display the outdated thumbnail. To fix this, go to Facebook's Sharing Debugger tool. Simply paste the URL of your post into the tool and click Debug. Facebook will show you the information it's pulling from your site, including the thumbnail. If it's still showing the wrong image, click on Scrape Again. This forces Facebook to refresh its cache and pull the latest data. After a few seconds, check Facebook again. Your post should now display the correct thumbnail image. You can repeat this process for any post or page on your site where the thumbnail isn't showing up as expected. And that's it. By using an SEO plugin like Yoast, updating your open graph tags, and refreshing Facebook's cache, you can ensure your posts always look their best when shared on social media. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.